Manisha and Rena. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I mean, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. If not, I'm really sorry. Thank you so much. First of all, happy Women's Day to all the beautiful women out there. I love you guys so much. You're all really precious, guys. This was sent by Dhruvi, Manisha, and Rena. And wait, I'll show you. Look, look, look. How pretty. Baking blunders. You bake amazing cakes. We have had one when I think we completed 100 episodes, and Muskan, Dhruvi, there were some, I think some of your friends who sent it. It was amazing and it tasted so good. So thank you so much again. How do you open this here? Is it? Wait. Oh yeah, there you go. We won't cut it now since Sahil and everybody is not here, but look at this. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. We'll come live and we'll also shoot a video whenever we cut it. Maybe in the evening, not now because we're shooting now. But thank you so much. Wait, I'll just let देती हूँ मैं. Oh. Okay, 1 second. Sorry. हाँ जी. बताइए क्या कर रहे हैं सब. Thank you everyone who is wishing you once. Let me read your comments. Hi Anushka. Sonai9711. Thank you Aishi. Here for Riya Sharma. Hi. Thank you. Mayukar forever. Thank you. Live save. Yeah, पिछली बार I don't know what happened. I was unable to save it. But I will save it this time. Maybe if I could. Tanishk, what's up? How are you doing, Tanishk? Where are you? You're in Nagpur. Congratulations, by the way. I saw your stories. You are doing amazing. On the top together. Tanishk. Hi, Amay. Thank you. Leap आ गया. मुझे नहीं पता. Yeah, let's talk. I mean, I have some time. Yes, come in. क्या कर रहे हैं अभी? सी बुला लिया.
यही जो आप स्टेयर के ऊपर जा रहे हो, स्टेयर के ऊपर से जा रहे हो, दो लोग पीछे से आ गए, आप मंदिर में आ गए, वहाँ से आ गए.
तो वो तो ओंकार भी लगेगा ना उसमें.
वो तो पीछे हम लोग जो मंदिर का सेक्शन है वो नहीं कर. आप जो पूजा कर रहे हो ना, ये
2 मिनट है.
आपके ना बाल में कुछ तो गया.
केक तो नहीं लग गया. मैंने अभी पता है केक खोला.
नहीं मूंगफली का कुछ है शायद. मूंगफली का.
यार मेरे ऊपर मूंगफली किसने डाली? मेरे ऊपर किसी ने मूंगफली डाल दी. Okay, I have to go, guys. I'm so sorry. See, we hardly get like any time. And we are calling it. But wait 1 second. Nabba, hi. Sahil. So he's shooting at our set. It's in Powai, and we are shooting here at. ये कौन सा स्टूडियो है?
Hi, good morning, guys. I mean, good afternoon, guys. And I have
received a gift from Sibel. It's come all the way from Turkey, and see who is here to help me open up my gifts.
Hello, hi, good afternoon.
तुझे नहीं मिले हैं बाबू.
But still I'm happy for you. मेरा टाइम भी आएगा.
हाँ हमेशा ही आता है. चल.
हाँ जी.
Okay, खोले please.
Yeah.
हाँ. Yo man.
Stay happy.
Oh yes, I will, Sibel. I will. Oh, चिट्ठी भी आया है. Seriously, wow. Okay, addressed to me. There is not always a need for a plan. Sometimes we just have to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. So true. Wait, what more beauties will surround you? Yes, I totally believe in that. I'm very excited. I was in such a hurry to finish this gift because I wanted to reach you as soon as possible. I hope you like it. Sar aankhon pe. Sar aankhon pe means holding it really, it's precious, no matter what it is. Okay. That's why finally I did give you a surprise too. Okay, that's why I'm very happy. I can't reach you, but something from me will reach you, and this is my great happiness. Your best wishes, your love, the energy comes to me always. Thank you, dear. Things are really not required, but still, thank you for all the love you have for all of us and me too. There is an illustrated guide in the book for your convenience. I hope you do not have any difficulties while setting it up. Okay? Thank you. I will treasure this all my life.
Yeah.
What a beautiful handwriting. Yoka sir.
Nice, sir. This one.
It's expensive. Sibel, it's beautiful. I love it. But isn't it expensive, darling? Oh my God.
Just one more.
Oh, how lovely. How beautiful. Oh my God. So pretty. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. साहिल तेरे लिए कुछ बोल रहे हैं. क्या बोला?
I don't know.
हाँ रख देते इसको.
Hmm.
Okay, now get on to this. She's made it all.
Oh wow, so basically
Oh,
yeah,
this is how it is gonna go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Wow, yeah. What a picture.
How lovely is that? She's made all the pictures up. How beautiful. Thank you. This is the most treasured, dear Sybil.
Our show.
Our show. Most is from our show. है ना? ऐसे करके दिखा बाबू.
नहीं, they are different. हमारे show से ये तो
हाँ, most of it is from our show. ये कैसे?
आराम से.
हाँ. साहिल एक बार देख लो यार. साहिल.
Hello.
Such hard work, such commitment. Thank you, Sybil. Thank you, Sybil. Thank you. And that was my Begum, my first German Shepherd, my second baby actually. She still has my heart. Oh. And there's more here. Oh, okay. The whole setup thing is inside. Okay. I will certainly put it up and I will
Then click
a pic and send it. Post it, of course. Okay? Thank you, Sybil. दिल खुश कर देता. क्या काम किया है. शुक्रिया. And Babu, there's one more. Thank you. Okay.
Oh.
I will always love you. So sweet. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Loads and loads of love from here as well. Thank you. Ah,
हमारे शो में पंडित ऐसे यूज कहते हैं.
how pretty.
Very nice.
Thank you. Lovely.
Oh, I can see a dark chocolate here.
Ah!
And there's two this.
I'll share it with you.
Yeah.
I'll share it with you. Don't worry. What a beautiful color notebook, na Baba?
Yeah.
I will use this for my healing. I'm an energy healer, so I'll be using this to write on about my healings in this. Okay, Sibal?
Hello, beautiful.
Oh wow!
Face.
This is so cute and pretty. Thank you. I mean, this chocolate comes.
Let me do it. Let me
Yeah.
do it.
Well, I have a little problem in the hand. I hurt myself. So, yeah. Sahil is kind enough to be helping me. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, wow. How lovely. Thank you. बस बाबा कितना चाहिए रे.
छूटा जाए ना इनका भी.
मस्ती कर रहा हूँ मैं. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल. रिया आंटी कहाँ है? वेल रिया इज ऑन दी. देखो जरा कितना बदमाश है.
कौन है?
Well, Sahil uncle is here right now.
एक सेकंड. What? Uncle?
Uncle ना कहो ना, ऐसा वाला. Okay, get the chocolate out, baby.
Yeah.
Let's have some of it. दीपक चचा आए हैं हमको बुलाने के लिए.
भाभी right? भाभी ready?
हाँ, अपन को गिफ्ट आया.
What are we doing?
रिया आंटी कहाँ है? कौन सा वाला? जो अभी लाइन्स बना मयूरा मम्मा कहाँ है?
हाँ, better.
हाँ, तो पापा हुए ना साहिल.
हाँ.
Yes, I am absolutely blessed to have received all this love. I'm so grateful. Chocolate पे साहिल की नजर.
Nice.
नजर ना लगे.
अच्छा वो हेल्प करने.
नजर ना लगे मेरे काले को.
अच्छा वो हेल्प करने आ गए.
हाँ मुझे भी खिला. गिर रही हूँ मैं. चॉकलेट है बेटा. चॉकलेट. वाह. तोड़ के देना.
Very soft.
Oh, okay, wait. कुछ तो करा जाए. Chocolate is not supposed to be wasted, okay?
बाबा जी का पसंद.
It's like yum ना. मजा आया. कुछ सोच रही है. So yum man. Thank you. I'm totally grateful. Thank you Sibel. Thank you everybody. एक मिनट कहाँ से ढूंढे? Okay, so we have our shot coming already ready types, you know.
I can't see your request.
Riya, uncle is waiting for the. The dude, the hunk is waiting. रिया मम्मा, रिया आंटी, मुझे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट आए हैं. साहिल भैया is helping me.
दादी.
हम लोगों ने अभी लंच किया. आप लोगों ने खाया.
And this chocolate is to die for. Riya, chocolate is to die for. Believe me.
Do good.
I will kill you guys. हाँ, I want it.
Okay.
क्या है? क्या टेस्टी लग रहा है ये तो.
Dark
Oh my
chocolate.
God.
Dark chocolate. Talkies से आ रही है.